Hey everyone, so if you've been following my Instagram stories, you know that I've been trying to style my natural hair without the frizz, and I finally found a product that works. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you how I got frizz-free natural hair, and I'm using a kit from Lubricity Labs. So I first started off by washing my hair with the Lubricity Labs Q shampoo. And the Q actually stands for quinoa. After that, I did a rough blow dry on my hair just to get it dry. Next, I'm just going to section my hair off into 4 sections, and I'm going to create some mini buns to do this. So I have 2 buns on top of my head and also 2 buns towards the back of my head. After that, I've applied the Step 1 Penetrate bottle, and I'm using the entire bottle to my hair. And I'm doing this working my way through one section at a time just so I get it evenly saturated. I'm just working the product in with my fingers, and I started in the back and I worked my way towards the front, and your hair will get very wet. You want to use the entire bottle. And another item that comes in the Lubricity Labs kit is this hair cap. So I'm just covering my hair with this cap and I'm waiting 15 minutes. Then I'm going to remove the cap and apply the entire bottle of Step 2 Encapsulate to my hair. The next thing I did was grab a wide tooth comb, and I just want to evenly distribute the product throughout my hair. So I'm just combing through, starting at the tips of my hair and working up towards my scalp. Then I'm going to cover my hair again. Then I also washed my hands thoroughly and blotted out any excess product from my neck and face, especially around the hairline. Next, I'm waiting another 15 minutes. After that, I'm going to remove the plastic cap and rinse my hair thoroughly with cold water. And now for styling. So this is what my hair looks like now, and I've added some gel and some mousse. I've cocktailed those 2 products together, and I'm just working those products into my hair. And I honestly love my hair best when I just let it air dry. I don't even blow dry it. It's just its natural curly state, and now I don't have to worry about frizz because of Lubricity Labs. So how I've been liking to style my hair lately is just grabbing my curling wand, and I'll let that heat up for a few minutes, and then I'll just grab random sections of my hair, sections that might be a little less curly. It's usually like the top layers of my hair, and I'll just grab random sections and I'll curl my hair away from my face, and this only takes maybe 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes. But this is the final look of my hair, and I really like it, and I want to style it like this more often. So I have a link below for Lubricity Labs if you guys are interested in checking them out. But I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!